these 30 days were like not at all like our college degree course and all. Like it was purely implementation part.
On a scale of 1 to 10, just the closing part, how powerful is that?
Yeah, 10 on 10. So like the best part about this community is like getting support from each and everyone in the community. Yes, definitely it was the right decision. Next 3 to 6 months, I would like to see myself earning at least 1 lakh a month.
Meet Mr. Keyur. He's from Mumbai and is a digital nomad. He started his business in 20 days. That means he got his first client in just 20 days starting the digital nomad program. Is that correct, Keyur?
Yeah, yes, Bipin.
Okay, great. So tell us, like, how did you get your first client?
Yeah, so I joined this program in the month of November 2022.
Yeah.
So like I was like daily going through the videos and all. So I started approaching the people in my area. So there is a gym. So I thought I'll start with a gym owner. So I approached him, gave him a free trial offer of 30 days. So he sounded interest. He told like, okay, let's do it. So then I set up his accounts and everything. And currently I'm running ads for him.
Awesome. Great job, man. Great job. So how did you find us for the first time?
Yeah, first time like it was nervous, like talking to some stranger and like was feeling very nervous. But I thought like I have to do it. There is no other way around it. And since I have decided to choose this journey, I have to be more confident and do not think about anything else. Just go and speak to random people, and out of 10, at least two will say yes for your ads.
Got it. So during that first initial call, what motivated you, or was that the webinar? What motivated you to take this journey?
Actually, like during in the month of October, like I was thinking that I should try something new. Like I don't want to get stuck in this job, and because of my personal and requirements are such that I have to soon, like not soon, but somewhere in the near future, settle in abroad, something like that. So for that, I had to uh, have more capital. So at that point, I saw your ad on Facebook, and I thought I was pretty impressed by the creative, like uh, 1 to 1 3 lakhs a month. So I thought, okay, let's join this webinar and see how it goes. Usually, I know like after this free webinar, they will give you some offer and then they will try to close. So I was prepared for it. So I thought, okay. Then I had a 1 hour session with Bopanna, and then like I was pretty convinced that I should join this course, and it was the only way around for me to start my digital nomad journey.
Great. Awesome. So is it what is that, did you make the right decision? If you just think now, because you have all the skills and you've started your business, is that the right decision that you've done?
Yes, definitely it was the right decision, and like there were many reasons like I wanted to leave that job. First of all, being from an IT background, I didn't want to stuck in IT job. And like my father is also a businessman. Like he has his own housekeeping materials supplier, and also like that. The business is in the blood, you can say.
Yeah.
And so I wanted to start something of my own, and like I found your video right place at the right time. So then it happened.
Okay. So what you had to say about your mentor? That's me, basically.
Yeah, like I really liked your energy, like in the webinar, and also during the weekly uh, calls on Sundays. Like you like always show up on time. Like you always motivate others. Like there is nothing what you say. Like uh, you have to do it no matter like
Correct.
what
Yeah,
others say.
do it whatever
Yeah,
it takes. That's it.
whatever it takes. Yeah, yeah, same. Yeah. So that really kept me going forward with it. Like sometimes right now also when I have to speak with a prospect, after sending a message, they say, okay, let's have a call. So at that time, I feel nervous, but then I realize I have all the closing structure and everything. I just have to follow it, be confident, and show some authority, and I'm sure I'll get the client. So that's how I got that first client. And today also I had a call with one prospect,
Okay.
and let's see. Yeah.
Okay, good, good. So, did you get this is the first client, or I remember that you're telling that you had some bakery niche or someone like how many
No,
clients
no.
that you like with okay clients. This is the first client, but how many interactions did you had, and what is your experience meeting and talking to clients?
Interactions, like I don't remember exactly, but maybe 8 to 10 interactions I like on call interactions I have done till now,
Okay.
and like all like someone was from photography niche, that Dubai guy I told you about.
Yeah.
So he said he's facing some issues right now, so he'll get back to me.
Hmm.
And right now I'm targeting interior designers, like, because they are high ticket clients.
Yeah.
I have a call after this call with one guy. So
Okay. All the best. Good, good. Great, good improvement. And what are the skills you have learned in just 30 days? Like what all skills you have learned and how powerful was this 30 days for you?
yeah, actually these 30 days were like not at all like our college degree course and all. Like it was like purely implementation part. Like just go to the videos, directly implement it, nothing to think here and there, pure implementation. So basically I learned about copywriting, like how you need to write your copy in a very effective way which will attract uh, customers attention. Then how to design creative using that video editing course. There is a website development course as well. And main things, not main thing, the second main thing is Facebook ads, how to run and from A to Z. The main skill which I think I've learned is like high ticket closing.
Yeah,
Because like if you like, no matter who the prospect is, if you are able to close in, then that's it. Yeah, you can close anything.
yeah. So on a scale of 1 to 10, just the closing part, how powerful is that?
Yeah, 10 on 10.
Okay, the entire program, if you want to rate, how powerful is it?
Yeah, entire program also like 10 on 10. No doubts about that.
Yeah, great. And what is the best part of being in this movement, in this community? It can be the course, it can be the community. Like, what is the best part? Like
The
you have
best.
experience so far.
So like the best part about this community is like getting support from each and everyone in the community. Like whether it is you, Bojana, or all the students as well. Like whenever anyone has any doubt or get stuck somewhere, like everyone is there to help each other. And you know, yeah,
Got
that's
it.
the main thing.
Got it. So let's say if someone is a newbie who want to join, honestly, what would you say?
Like a newbie, like if he wants to get financial freedom, like work on his own terms, then definitely he should join this freelancepreneur program. Like it will give you an like overall 360-degree skill set which like I don't think anyone else can give you.
Got it. So you're also a newbie, right? To completely
Right.
this marketing and everything.
Yes.
So was the course easy for you? The 30 days was easy, or was it kind of tough to learn or something like that?
Yeah, the course was pretty easy. Like that yeah, since the field was new for me, all this digital field, so I found it challenging the initial stages.
Mhm.
But like it's not like that much difficult like coding or something which you can't understand. Like just give 2 to 3 days, you will understand everything in the videos. It was
Yeah,
pretty simple.
got it. Perfect. And final question is now next 3 to 6 months. If you put all your effort and all that, where do you see yourself in 3 to 6 months? Because this 30 days, we promised that you are going to launch your business. You have launched it, and you have got the right skills. And now the next stage is growing it up and reaching that target. So where do you see yourself in next 3 to 6 months?
So basically, in the next 3 to 6 months, I would like to see myself like earning at least 1 lakh a month,
Hmm.
because like since I've got first client, like my confidence level has boosted. Now I can talk with a more confident and authoritative tone to the prospects.
Yeah.
And earlier I used to feel like, okay, they are, I'm getting intimidated by them. Yeah, so now that's not happening. That's improving little bit daily basis. Mostly like I would like to see at least 1 lakh a month in next 6 months.
Oh, perfect. Awesome. So when you hit that 1 lakh goal, let's again celebrate.
Yeah,
Let's again have a same call like this. I would, like give you more power. And the only goal that I have for you is I want you to win. I want you to win. Come and share your success journey. Let's all celebrate. And it will definitely happen. So you're on the right track.
yeah.
So
Thank you, Bipin.
like how many clients do you need for hitting 1 lakh now with the confidence that you have?
Uh, See, if a client is ready to pay 25,000 per month, then we need 4 clients. And
Yeah.
if some client is basically, let's say, a high ticket client and who is ready to spend, like, then we only need 2 clients, so like 50K per person. It depends on how much they spend. Like,
Yeah. So you're in the right place. Even I'm also into business, and even I'm also thinking the same way. Oh, I should get at least, okay, if I want to make 1 lakh, I should get 2 clients or 3 clients. And the goal is to hit that 2, 3 clients. And we know the skills and we can deliver. So that's it. So you're also in the right place. Great, great, great. Good to see that you're graduating and you've achieved your goal. All the best, Keyur.
yeah, thank you so much, Vipin.
Yeah, perfect.